All right, let's take a look at how we would use graphing to solve a question like 5a. So here I have minus 3x minus 11 is equal to 7. Actually, this part over here is a line, negative 3x minus 11. If we had multiple solutions over here, like if we had a y, then that would be a line we could graph. Right now, it's actually, there's only one value of x that makes this true, so it's not a line really, but I can graph the line negative 3x minus 11. So one way I can do that is just by, well, actually I want to go to the board and do it here. So I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to want the line 7 on here, and I'm just going to put that line here, y equals 7. Okay, there's the solution that I want. I want something to equal 7. Where did I get that number? Well, it's in the question right there. And I'm going to graph the line negative 3x minus 11. Okay, so actually I know that, ooh, it's like way over here, and I need a lot smaller scale. There we go. So now I can see the line minus 11, and yeah, okay, so now I can do it. So I'm going to pause the video and go. So using a table, I can create 2 points, and then I can put a line through that, just if I'm using a paper-based solution. But rather than do that for you, I'll just show you that I can just graph this part here, negative 3x minus 11. So let's graph that. So then we would have y is equal to, y is equal to negative 3x minus 11. And then I get this line over here. It should match exactly the line I drew on the board. Oh, it does. It's so beautiful. Okay, here. There's the point that we had on our table. We also chose for our table this point here. So we chose, well, I think maybe it's going to be like minus 5 is going to be the solution. It was close, but not right. But then we were able to put a line through those 2 points and get this point here, negative 6, 7. That tells me that when x is negative 6, that y is 7. So that's actually the algebraic solution to this problem. When x is negative 6, this will be 7. This will be true. That's how I would do that. Now, algebraically, I would solve that this way. Let me just, I'll see if I can do it in a Google Doc. Just start a new Google Doc so that you can see me type and see me think. Yeah. Oh, I should just pause while I'm getting this all organized. Hey. Laggy. Okay, so to do this one, I'm going to add 11 to both sides. Okay, and now I do that, so I have minus 3x is equal to 7 plus 11 is 18. And now I need some number, and now I'm just going to divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3, and oops, page up, page down. Sometimes I push the wrong buttons. Divide by 3. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not dividing by 3. I'm dividing by negative 3. I'm going to put that in brackets so it's very clear. Here we go. Negative 3. Okay. So I divide by what I'm multiplying by. So I'm multiplying by negative 3. So I'm going to divide by negative 3 so that I just get x on the one side. And then I get x is equal to, if you're confused, use your calculator, negative 6. There we go. Found the answer. And the graph told me, the algebra told me. They should line up. If they do not line up, then you go back, you try and find your error. And the going back and trying to find your error is what's going to help you learn. Because that's where you separate yourself from someone that says, no, I don't know, I didn't get it, but whatever, I'll move on to the next question. But moving on to the next question is better than just giving up and going on your phone and distracting yourself. So that's all that I want to say about that. Okay, so that's how I would answer those ones.